Hi everyone, welcome to Pulsar Lab channel. Today we are diving into one of the most ambitious projects in human history. Did you know the James Webb Space Telescope cost over $10 billion? That is more than the GDP of some countries. But why did this single scientific instrument come with such an astronomical price tag? Get ready to uncover the mind-boggling technology and incredible scientific breakthroughs that made this investment absolutely essential for our understanding of the universe. Stick around as we explore the cosmic sticker shock and break down the real reason behind the billion-dollar blink. By the end, you will see why it's not just a telescope, it's a game changer for humanity. Why does a telescope cost more than $10 billion? At first glance, it sounds crazy. I mean, we have had telescopes for centuries, right? But the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is not your backyard stranger. According to NASA, it's the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, designed to peer deeper into space and time than ever before. Its mission: to study the universe's origin, distant galaxies, and even possible sign of life on exoplanets. But that ambition comes with a massive price tag. Let's break it down step by step so you can understand the why behind the cost. Number 1. First, huge and complex mirror system. JWST's main mirror is 6.5 meters wide, much larger than Hubble's. This gold-coated beast is made of 18 hexagonal segments that unfold in space. Why so expensive? Each segment is precisely engineered from beryllium, a rare material, and coated with gold for infrared reflection. NASA reports that just building and testing this mirror cost hundreds of millions because it had to survive the cold of space without one. Fun fact, the mirror's accuracy is so high that if it were the size of the continental USA, it could not be off by more than the thickness of a human hair. Second one, infrared capabilities and cooling systems. Unlike Hubble, JWST focuses on infrared light to see through dust clouds and spot ancient stars. But infrared tech requires extreme cooling down to minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit. That means specialized instruments and sun-sealed the size of a tennis court. According to ESA, European Space Agency data, these cooling systems alone added billions due to the need for custom materials that don't vibrate or fail in orbit. This tech lets JWST look back 13.5 billion years, but it made development super pricey. Third, launch and deployment challenges. Getting JWST into space was not like sending a simple satellite. It had to fold up like a giant origami for launch on an Arena 5 rocket. Then unfold perfectly 1 million miles from Earth. NASA documents highlight that years of testing for this deployment cost a fortune, as even a teeny mistake could ruin the whole mission. Total launch costs over $1 billion, including the rocket and fuel, because everything had to be fail-proof. Second, the long development timeline and setbacks transitions with a story to keep it interesting. Now imagine waiting over 20 years for a project. That is what happened with JWST. Next, extended timeline and budget overruns. JWST's development started in the 1990s, but delays pushed the launch to 2021. NASA admits that technical issues like fixing the sun shield and mirrors caused cost to balloons from an initial $500 million estimate to over $10 billion. These overruns were due to rigorous testing to ensure it works in the harsh environment of space. Why invest so much time? As per CSA, Canadian Space Agency contributions, the payoff includes groundbreaking discoveries like the first images of distant galaxies that rewrite our cosmic history. Next, international collaboration and expertise. This is not just a NASA project, it's a team effort with ESA and CSA. Coordinating across countries means more red tape, specialized parts, and shared funding. For example, ESA built the telescope's instruments, which required top engineers and rare tech. The result, unprecedented data, but a high cost for all the global brain power. Next, the immense scientific returns. Was it worth it? Shift to a positive, inspiring tone. Use visual of JWST discoveries. Despite the sticker shock, JWST's rewards are out of this world. According to NASA, it's already captured images of the earliest galaxies and atmospheres of exoplanets, helping us answer big questions like how did the universe begin and are we alone? In simple terms, this telescope is like a time machine. It's a $10 billion price tag. Might seem steep, but the knowledge it provides could lead to future tech breakthroughs, from better climate tools to advanced medicine. Plus, it's inspiring the next generations of scientists, priceless in the long run. Wrap up with a strong close. So there you have it, the real story behind JWST's enormous cost. It's not just about fancy tech, it's about pushing human limits for greater discoveries. If you found this fascinating, hit the like button, subscribe for more space adventures, and drop a comment. What do you think humanity's next big space project should be? Thanks for watching, and remember, the universe is full of wonders and JWST is our ticket to exploring them. See you in the next video.